Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna read our super duper collection Incredible Peppa's Peppa Pig Pedro's Cough. It is our fourth book. Let's read.
Booktube Kids.
Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Ah, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Sushi Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. It tastes of carpet-flavored yogurt, says Sushi. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? asks Peppa. I am never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take cough medicine. Oh, it tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you are ill? asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I am never. Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? That's Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Sushi has brought some medicine. Open wide, says Sushi. Ah, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard all socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe or share. Your support means the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you for being part of our channel. Stay tuned and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love you all.
Booktube Kids.